So here we are at the back of this Volvo D13. This here is the nut that holds the bull gear in place. When we took this loose, this nut was completely off, and this bearing was almost all the way out. This gear, by having coming loose, destroyed the gear on the air compressor. I don't see much damage on the crank. The gears still look fairly okay. Definitely we're gonna be removing this bull gear to check the bearing, the race, and everything else. All the other gears seem to be fine. I'm gonna be taking a video of the housing so you guys can see how it got shoot up. But other than that, is really just the fact that this nut came loose and it screwed everything up. I'm glad the guy caught it on time. I can imagine that if you leave this without the nut long enough, it'll probably make a hole in the timing cover. I don't know what the fuck Volvo was thinking when they came up with this bullshit. This thing literally came loose. Thank you, Volvo. Thank you for making me money. Volvo, the bull gear nut came loose. This is the timing cover. As you can see, it's completely shoot up. We got all kinds of metal missing. That's from that gear being loose. It was able to wobble all over the place. Fortunately, it didn't damage the engine. We caught it on time. It was making a whole lot of noise. Seems to me like it's a common issue with these timing sets. For some reason, the nut that holds the bull gear came loose and it made all this mess. No more noise. This puppy's ready to go. No more noise. Some oil leaked on the exhaust manifold. That's the smoke you'll see. We need to pressure wash this puppy. Everything leaked. We took it all apart except the head. Alrighty.